Hello, this is Mr. McNeil, and this is Vocabulary Breakdown Kinematics, Part 6. This section is dealing with the concept known as orthogonality and how orthogonality allows us to explore two-dimensional kinematics. Now, what is orthogonality? Well, orthogonality is just a phrase that states that two vectors that are perpendicular are also independent. Now, this means two vectors of the same type, like velocities. If I have one that's contained on the x-axis and one on the y, same could be said for accelerations or even displacement. But if they are perpendicular, that means they're independent. Now, that means specifically that if a velocity in this direction and a velocity in this direction occurs, changes in this velocity don't necessarily mean to changes in this velocity. It may change the overall velocity, but the velocity on my x direction would still remain unchanged. And the same would go for things like acceleration and displacement. So it's really kind of critical when we talk about two-dimensional kinematics to understand orthogonality, so that we can say that accelerations in this direction do not produce changes in velocity in this direction. Okay? So that's kind of the key to two-dimensional kinematics, and more specifically, the concept of orthogonality. And thank you for listening to me. If you have any questions or would like to talk more about this, please let me know.